Hi everyone, I'm Monica Yazdanyan, CEO and co-founder of Toefx Inc. Millions of people suffer from onychomycosis, a fungal infection of the toenails. Toefx is a medical device company that develops, designs, manufactures, and sells a light-based treatment for this problem. We are based right here in Canada, creating the end-to-end standard of care for clinicians everywhere. In 2021, Toefx was fortunate to win first place in the Synapse Life Sciences competition. We were absolutely delighted, not only Toefx staff, but also the amazing students we worked with. We want to thank everyone at Innovation Factory for their help and support, as well as our partners at McMaster University, at Obio, and all of our mentors and friends who helped us win the Synapse Life Sciences competition. We were thankful for the spotlight that the competition provided and for the money that made a lot of things possible. The past year has been quite a whirlwind. 95 foot care clinics and counting are now Toefx customers and have administered the Toefx treatment to hundreds of patients. We've spent a lot of time talking to our customers, developing new products, and securing new funds. The Toefx team is 10 people strong, full-time and part-time. We're really looking forward to entering the US and other markets later this year. On behalf of Toefx, we wish every finalist at this year's competition an amazing time. Good luck.